I hope you all be enjoying your good health. Today we are going to talk about pathway for Pakistani doctors, general physicians, about medical license exam. So first let's talk about the eligibility criteria for SMLE. The eligibility criteria includes MBBS degree, PMDC full license, and 1 year post-house job experience. So this is the eligibility criteria for SMLE, that is the licensing exam of KSA. Now let's talk about the exam. There are 210 MCQs in two parts. There are two slots, 105 plus 105 MCQs, and in between these slots is a break. Total time in this exam is 4 hours 45 minutes. There is no OSCE or Viva, and the exam centers in Pakistan are located in Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad. The main subjects of exam include medicine, surgery, gynae, peds, and ethics. Kindly note down these subjects. Books required for SMLE preparation include USMLE Step 2 CK, USMLE MTB, SMLE notes, and past papers. Now, after completing this eligibility criteria and gathering all the material, let's talk about DataFlow verification. So the DataFlow verification is all online. Only you must have your PMDC license plus MBBS degree. This is the requirement for DataFlow, PMDC license, and MBBS degree. So after DataFlow, we'll move towards the Mumaris Plus. All the links will be given in description box of DataFlow, Mumaris Plus, and also about exam booking. So Mumaris Plus includes you must have your MBBS degree, PMDC license. You have to upload your MBBS degree, PMDC license, your DataFlow report, and post-house job experience letter, that is 1 year experience. Now, what is the eligibility code of exam? Eligibility code of exam is given by Mumaris. After completing your Mumaris Plus registration, you will receive your eligibility code through mail. That is valid for 1 year, and you must have to book your exam in this 1 year. You have 3 attempts only for the exam. So now, how to book your exam? There is an online site to book your exam, Pro Scheduler Prometric. Link will be given in description box. You can book your exam through Pro Scheduler Prometric site. Again, the centers are in Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad. And the availability of the exam is in every month. The good thing is that there is no Viva, no OSCE, and only a single step written exam. Once you pass your exam, congratulations, get classification as a GP by registering with SCFHS and find jobs as a GP in KSA. Now, the salary range in KSA for GPs include 6,000 Saudi Riyal to 16,000 Saudi Riyal. Depends on the experience. So this is all about how you can become a registered GP in KSA. Share this with your colleagues and subscribe for more informative videos about medical licensing worldwide. This is Dr. Huma Ibrar signing off. Allah Hafiz.